The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 7. This is Program 12. Lesson topic, Rhinos in Africa.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hi, friends.
Students, do you remember what we learned last week? All right. Hawa, what did we learn about?
We learned about what we are doing in the past.
By the way, what were you doing at 7 o'clock yesterday night, Hawa?
Oh, I was watching television.
Students, what was Hawa doing at 7 o'clock yesterday night? Obank?
She was watching television.
Students, what was Hawa doing? Right, she was watching television.
Yes, and I saw a rhinoceros on television.
A rhinoceros? What is a rhinoceros?
Students, do you know what a rhinoceros is? Teacher, please ask your students what a rhinoceros is. You have about 30 seconds. Thank you, teacher. Students, did you tell your teacher what a rhinoceros is? All right, let's listen to Hawa telling Ubang what a rhinoceros is. Listen.
A rhinoceros, which is sometimes called a rhino, is a wild animal.
A wild animal? What does it look like?
A rhino is a big unfriendly animal.
Unfriendly animal?
Yes, and you know it has a horn on its nose.
Oh, yes. The big wild animal which has a horn on its nose. I know that animal.
Do you know a lot of wild animals, Ubang?
Yes, I know. Elephant, hyena.
Wait a minute, Ubang. Let me ask the students this question. Students, can you tell your teachers the names of wild animals you know in English? Teacher, please ask your students one by one to tell you the names of some wild animals in English. You're about 1 minute. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, students. Students, I hope you remember a lot of wild animals.
I'd be glad if I saw a lot of wild animals.
Why don't you go to the nearest park and see some wild animals?
That's a good idea.
Oh, very good.
All right, let's go. Here is my car. Let's get in and go. Here we go.
Leah, I know a song about animals.
I know too. Why don't we sing it?
That's a good idea. Students, let's listen to Hawa and Ubang singing. Listen.
Rhinoceros, zebras, lions, elephants and crocodiles. These are some of wild animals. Camels, horses, sheep and cow, oxen, donkeys, goats and These are tame animals. They live with us, they live with us.
That's a nice song. Students, let's sing the song together. I hope the words are on the blackboard. Now, sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rhinoceros, zebras, lions, elephants and crocodiles. These are some of wild animals, wild animals. Camels, horses, sheep and cow, oxen, donkeys, goats and mules. I know these are tame animals. They live with us, they live with us.
That's all right, students. We will sing the song again later.
Leah, I think that is a park.
Yes, let's stop our car here and see the animals.
What's that animal?
It's a lion.
Wow, what's that big animal?
Oh, that's an elephant. Look, it has big ears.
Oh yes, Umang, are elephants mammals?
Students, are elephants mammals? Students, tell me again, are elephants mammals? Yes, elephants are large mammals.
Oh, look, the elephant has a long nose.
It is called a trunk in English.
Students, what is the elephant's nose called in English? Students, tell me again, what is the elephant's nose called in English? Yes, it's called a trunk.
It's a nice park. Look over there. There's also a lake.
Yes, a lake. Oh, what's that?
Which one?
On the shore of the lake.
It's a crocodile.
A crocodile? Does it live on land?
Students, does a crocodile live on land? Obang?
No, it doesn't live on land.
Where does it live?
Students, where does a crocodile live? Students, tell me again, where does a crocodile live?
In water. Crocodiles live in water. There are a lot of crocodiles in Barrow River.
Oh, you saw them in Gambela?
Yes, I used to see them in Barrow. They are very dangerous animals.
Ubang, are crocodiles mammals?
I think they are reptiles.
Students, are crocodiles mammals or reptiles? Yes, they are reptiles. Crocodiles are dangerous reptiles.
I'm tired, Leah.
Let's sit on the grass and have a rest.
Oh, that's good.
We can also sing our song while having a rest.
A nice idea. Students, let's sing our song again with Hawa and Ubang. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rhinoceros, zebras, lions, elephants and crocodiles. These are some of wild animals, wild animals. Camels, horses, sheep and cow, oxen, donkeys, goats and mules. I know these are tame animals. They live with us, they live with us.
That's very good.
I think we have to go home now.
Oh, yes, let's go. Okay, here we go.
Hawa, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking of a wild animal.
Thinking of a wild animal?
Yes. Can you guess what it is?
Are you playing a game?
Yes, we are playing a game.
That's interesting. Students, listen to Hawa and Ubang playing the game. Listen.
Okay, let me write the name of an animal on a piece of paper. Alright, Ubang, now guess the name of the wild animal I have written.
Okay, is it a mammal?
No.
Is it a reptile?
Yes.
Is it dangerous?
Yes.
Does it live in water?
Yes, it lives in water.
So, it's a crocodile.
You are right, it's a crocodile.
Now it's my turn, Hawa. Guess the animal I have written.
Okay, is it a reptile?
Yes.
Is it,
Oh, wait a minute, Hawa and Ubang. Let students play the game in pairs. Students, now you play the game. First, write a name of a wild animal on a piece of paper. Then, ask your partner to guess the name of the animal you have written. I repeat, first, write a name of a wild animal. Then, ask your partner to guess the animal you have written. Teacher, please help your students in using the model questions on the blackboard to guess the animals. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, students. Let's sing our song for the last time, everyone. Ready? After 3, 1, 2, 3.
Rhinoceros, zebras, lions, elephants and crocodiles. These are some of wild animals, wild animals. Camels, horses, sheep and cow, oxen, donkeys, goats and mules. I know these are tame animals. They live with us, they live with us.
Thank you, everyone. That's all we have for you for today.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
That was English for Grade 7 from the Ethiopian Educational Media Agency. Join us again next week in Program 13. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.